I'm back again, this time with the relative minor of the D-flat major scale, the B-flat minor. And here we're also going to have 5 accidentals. We can have the B-flat, the E-flat, A-flat, D-flat, and the G-flat, but with one exception. As we know, with the harmonic scales, the 7th degree is raised, meaning that the A-flat will now become a natural. We're going to use specific fingers here. Very easy still, we just need to remember the movement with that raised 7th. If you like the video, please remember to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and send me a like or send me a comment. That would be greatly appreciated. As usual, let's start with the 1 octave right, left, and hands together. Starting with my second finger on B flat, C, D flat, E flat, thumb on F, second on G flat, third finger on A, B flat, and I'm going to come back the same way, third finger over to E flat, C, and then my second again on the B flat, like so. For the left hand, I'll be starting with my second finger as well on B flat, C, third finger to D flat, because I want to put my thumb on F. Fourth is going to go over now, so that I end with my third finger on A and my second on D flat. And now I'm just going to walk it back down. Same. So the most important thing here to remember is thumbs on C and F still. Doing this hands together, both seconds. Thumbs on C, third, thumbs on F, fourth goes over. So that I have both my thirds on that A natural, both my thumbs on F, and there I have the B-flat minor, the harmonic minor scale, 1 octave. Moving on to 2 octaves, we'll just be copying those fingers again. Right hand first. Thumb to C. So the same fingering applies. Now let's do the left hand, second finger. Thumb on F, 4 goes over. Hands together. And there we have the 2 octave of the B-flat harmonic minor. Moving on to 4 octaves as Hanon intended. Let's see how this one goes. Copying those fingers again, 4 octaves this time, starting nice and low. Remembering to repeat it twice. For the cadence, when we get to the bottom, both our second fingers on that B flat, our left hand's going to do this. We're going to go up to E flat, then we're going to play F, 1 octave F lower, and then B flat. The right hand will be playing C, G flat, and B flat, followed by D flat, F, and B flat. Now remembering the A is a natural, we're going to play A, E flat, F, and C. And finally, we're going to do B flat, F, D flat, and B. Quite a big stretch. Playing into the keys will help you do that stretch or do that chord much easier. Putting these hands together, seconds, coming up to E, C, G flat, and B flat. Now I'm going to have my F, D flat, F, and B flat. Octave lower, now we need to remember we're going to have the A natural, F, E flat, and C. And finally we'll be coming up to B flat with those big stretch in the middle. And there we have the cadence. Thanks again for watching. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and see you again soon for the next exercise.